What's up, gang? It's Rosie Liking here, and if you haven't heard yet, we are diverging from Python and entering into the front-end development run. To start us off, I decided why don't we install a brand new text editor to code HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with. Without further ado, I will show you how to install this awesome, amazing application called Brackets. So, brackets.io. The reason why I like this app is because you get a live preview of the changes that you're making. You know, instead of having to alt-tab and open up that document, it will do this all kind of within the app. I mean, it opens up a new browser, but ignore that. I've already hit this button. So once you go to brackets.io, I'll leave the link in the description below. You go ahead and click download. I'm going to save that to the downloads file or folder. We're going to click on this. This is on a Mac, but you can do this on the Windows as well. We're going to drag brackets into our applications folder. Let that load. So it's going to be about 10 seconds. Should I have counted down? Maybe. But anyways, I might cut this out anyways. Boom! 10 seconds was done. So after that, we should be able to see brackets right over here. And now I am going to go ahead and demonstrate this after you get this. Go ahead and hit open. And it kind of gives you this preview, right, of everything. Kind of tells you what's happening. Get started with brackets. Welcome to brackets. It's just a whole introduction to brackets. And if you go ahead and press this button right over here, it'll actually give you a preview of this. So we're going to go ahead and click it. Go ahead and click OK. We'll wait until Google Chrome pops up and shows us what is going on with this page. Look at that. It populates a page from everything that's in here. So this is practically what I am going to learn and what I am going to demonstrate sort of to you, YouTube, you viewer. So yeah, brackets, that's installed, and you can go ahead and get down to the business of front-end development. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. If this video was at all helpful to you in installing brackets, I hope you leave a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, support the channel so that one day I can reach 1,000 subscribers and maybe monetize these videos and I can earn a cent or two off of a view. Thank you. Bye.